How's it going, pranksters? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite chairs of all time, one of my favorite brands. You guys know them, GTRacing. And in this video, I'm gonna be focusing on their Ace M1 black chair, which is from their Ace series. I've already unboxed one of these and I gifted it to Fatal a few months ago, and that was from the Ace series as well, but different color. Well, in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing the M1 black that you see right here. And this is the overall size of the box. It's pretty huge, it's quite heavy. I just got it, and yeah guys, this is how it will look once it's built. And if you guys are interested in getting one of these, the GTRacing has a lot of deals right now, a lot of discounts. Discount code below in the description. Everything just in time for the holidays, so make sure you catch GTRacing's Christmas sale right now. But before we get to unboxing this chair, I want to let you guys know that this chair is actually up for grabs. That's right guys, I will be giving away a GTRacing chair to somebody from the comments either here on YouTube or Instagram. And to participate, all you have to do is follow me at real_Nextraker and GTRacing, and all that info is below. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these chairs, make sure you read the information in the description below if you want to participate. All details will be there. And yes, I will be announcing the winner on Christmas Day. So if you're not getting anything for Christmas, you might win something on Christmas Day. So remember the date, December 25th, 2020. Alright, well, let's get to unboxing it. And right here, you guys know I always carry my trusty blade. That's what I'll be using to cut the tape. But even though it says on there not to use one of these, I'm doing exactly just that. But I'm not digging in too deep in there because I do not want to harm the actual leather from the chair. And actually, there's no leather in the front, because as soon as we open this, we get the base of the chair. And we'll be using my awesome method of taking out all the components and then putting them together. And this is quite the large box, so let's get to it. As if it was a real car wheel. Looks like one of the rims that I used to have for my car. We have all the screws here packed in. These will be very, very essential to putting all this together. And we can't do that without the manual as well, so this will be our guide. And let's see what we have under this cover. And yes, we have a lot of leather right there, all in black, with a lot of GTRacing branding, as you guys can see at the very top. There's the logo in gold, as you guys can see. And one thing that caught my attention was the stitching. It is red. I'm not a big fan of red, but this actually looks very beautiful on it. It gives it an extra touch. So yeah, I will not complain about the stitching or the overall color of this. The armrest. This is the actual seat. Again, red stitching, pew leather, all black. I love it. We got the pillows here, which I will be getting to later. And the rest of the stuff is all part of the chair's bottom. Now guys, this might seem like a lot of work that needs to get done, but it really isn't. I typically would get this done within 10 to 15 minutes. That is if I have the right tools at my disposal. Here I have a couple drills that I can choose from, and I have plenty of bits that are needed to assemble this chair. And I'll begin with the base of the chair, which is where the casters go on each end of this base. It's really simple stuff, guys. It's push, press, and tighten. All right, it's fastened on, and I will do the same thing to all 4 remaining sides. On that hole that you see right there, that's where the hydraulics will go. This right here, guys, is what helps the chair go down and up, so you can adjust it to your height level. And we'll just add these covers on for protection, and it gives it a better look. That's that. We'll set this aside for now. These right here are the angle adjusters, and these are gonna help us connect both of those pieces together, which is the seat and the backrest, with the help of some screws, which I have plenty of right here. So let's get to it and join both of those pieces together. It really isn't that hard, guys, because the holes are already there. You just gotta align both pieces together. Once you put the screw in, you let your drill do all the work, if you have one. Otherwise, there is a hex wrench available with this chair. Simple stuff. And on the other side, we do the same thing. All right, both of the adjusters are set in place. Now it's time to integrate the backrest, which is easy. We just sandwich it in between both. Overall, power tools make a big difference. Well, this is where the dust covers come in handy right here. This right here is the mechanism that goes right on the bottom, as this will join both the base with the casters and the actual chair. The armrests aren't really hard to put on either. It's just a bunch of fastening of screws. Pretty much assembled all the major parts of the chair. All I have to do is put the chair onto the base of it. It is quite heavy, but I do lift weights now, so I can definitely pick this up with ease. There it goes. At this point, the chair has pretty much been assembled. Everything has been tightened into place, so there's no way that this chair would fall apart. I made sure of that. Some would keep it as is, but since GTRacing was kind enough to offer some pillows for it, why not put them on there? The lumbar support pillow usually comes with a strap on the back. This one doesn't, which I like because normally I would go back and forth from using this and taking it off. And then if it's strapped on, it's kind of annoying. So I'm glad that I can easily just pick it up or put it back on as I please. The headrest though, it does come with a strap, but then again, this one's easy to put on. GTRacing definitely did a good job at branding because their logo is pretty much everywhere. See, GTRacing Ace, GTRacing Ace, GTRacing Ace, and then just the Ace logo. And then again, a tag of the Ace logo. So yeah, overall, I don't care about brands as long as the chair itself is comfortable. And I will say though, because I have been using GTRacing chairs a lot, I don't know how many of these I've built, but this brand always hooks it up with comfort, always meets my needs when it comes to gaming. So if you want luxury like this, you definitely want to go with this chair. And right now, GTRacing has a lot of Christmas deals when it comes to these chairs. So if you're interested, guys, remember the links are below. You might want to get yourself one of these chairs to start off the new year right, with comfort and in style. Check that out. So let me tell you my favorite parts of this chair. And I would always go with the armrest because these are high-end armrests, guys. You can find cheap ones that don't even adjust as much, but this one gives you the option to raise it up. You can twist it in any direction you want. And what's cool is that you can slide it forward and back so it adjusts to any arm length. That's pretty cool. This is definitely more sturdy. It's got a nice skeleton to it. The framing is awesome. And the padding, they did an amazing job with it this time around. Let's see if it can take a hit. But what really matters is the back. And this has a lot of meat. So it can take a hit, it can take a beating. If you're a big dude, big gal, this can definitely support you. And again, you get the added padding, which is the lumbar support pillow. And don't forget about the headrest. That one itself can take a beating as well. And again, guys, this chair is height adjustable, so it will meet your needs as far as height. If you're a tall person, this chair has you covered. It raises up quite significantly. Leaning back is something I love to do, especially when I'm gaming for long periods of time. So I adjust the lever and I can lean back really far, actually. Look at that. It's like you could sleep on it. And I'll admit, I have slept on my gaming chairs before, especially the GTRacing ones. So that concludes my unboxing of this GTRacing M1 Black Ace chair. It's up for grabs, guys. I am giving one of these away to one of my fans. It could be you. Just look in the description if you're interested in winning one of these. I will announce the winner on Christmas Day. So if this is something you want to win, go for it. Enter this giveaway. Rules are in the description. Whether it will happen on Instagram or YouTube, you might just want to follow the rules below. And just a reminder, guys, I do have a lot of savings in the description, a few links and discount codes if you want to get yourself a GTRacing and you can't wait. Go for it. I highly recommend this chair if you're a gamer and if you game for long periods of time.